Welcome to our channel and thank you for joining us today. Get ready to explore the all-new 2026 Ford camper truck van that is redefining travel and freedom on the road. If you're someone who dreams of going off-grid in style or living the van life with top-level comfort and performance, this vehicle is built just for you. The 2026 Ford camper truck van comes with a bold and muscular exterior, blending the strength of a rugged truck with the practicality and space of a large van. It's a perfect hybrid between a mobile home and a utility powerhouse, offering features for both daily use and long-distance adventure. Now let's talk about the design. The new Ford camper has a sleek aerodynamic body with LED headlights, a blacked-out front grille and an aggressive stance that looks solid and reliable from every angle. It offers multiple color options including metallic gray, off-road green, alpine white and a premium midnight blue. On the roof it features integrated solar panels that power the internal appliances, making it a truly self-sustaining travel machine. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a luxurious interior that feels more like a hotel room on wheels. There's a full kitchenette complete with an induction stove, sink, refrigerator and plenty of storage cabinets. The dining table converts into a spacious bed that can easily sleep 2 to 3 adults. Climate control, LED lighting and noise reduction panels create a cozy, comfortable atmosphere in all weather conditions. One of the standout features of this camper is the smart control system. Everything from lights to heating to battery level can be monitored and adjusted via a touchscreen panel or your smartphone. It also has Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS navigation and satellite TV, making it ideal for remote working or full-time living. Powering this beast is a V6 EcoBoost engine with hybrid options available, delivering both power and fuel efficiency. With AWD all-terrain tires and upgraded suspension, it can tackle hills, forests, deserts and even icy roads without breaking a sweat. The towing capacity is around 7,500 pounds, allowing you to haul bikes, trailers, boats or whatever your journey demands. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Ford camper. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and driving stress-free. Now for the price. The base model is expected to start around $58,000 with add-ons like a rooftop tent, upgraded solar battery pack and luxury interior options. The premium version could go up to $79,000. Considering everything that's packed into this vehicle, it's a solid value for van life enthusiasts. So who is this for? This Ford camper is perfect for solo travelers, couples, digital nomads and even small families looking to explore the world in their own mobile space. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or full-time road trips, this camper truck van is built to make life on the move both exciting and comfortable. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more reviews on 2026 vehicles and upcoming tech, and leave a comment if you would consider living in a Ford camper van or if you have any questions about this amazing